Hi, I'm Esra Muslu. This is the Great British Chef's Signature Series. In Turkey, the housewomen make this dish and they will give it to their son, and then all the streets has a wood oven. They will cook it on there and kids will have to wait until the food gets cooked and they bring home. All household makes it differently as well. And everybody is like arguing each other. No, this is the right way, this is the right way. And then we find out the recipe has been changing from which type of family you're coming from. I'm Esra Muslu. I am the owner chef of Zahter restaurant. We are right now in Carnaby Street. Today I'm going to do for you guys kuru Antep dolması. In Antep, the summer is extremely hot. And then they cannot grow anything in the winter. Winter is snows. During the summertime, they need to save all the vegetables. What they do, all the peppers, dry them on the sun, and then they find what's in the winter time. They use a lot of bulgur, friket on there, and then the fresh herbs. We're going to mix all together, stuff inside, and finish off in the wood oven. What we do first, we will put a little bit onions chopped. And then the rest of them, what you see in here, I will put underneath. You can see it's like that. Here, I soak it overnight bulgur. I will put all in here. After that, more coarse bulgur, chopped mint, chopped parsley. I have here sumak molasses. If you cannot find it, you can use pomegranate molasses. This is extremely sharp and it gives it like quite nice sour texture because we're going to use the spicy chili paste and the tomato paste. It will come the spice and sweetness. Same time we need the sourness to balance it up. And the dry mint, jalapeno chili, zested garlic, sumac. Again, it's giving one more sourness to give. Cumin, pepper, salt, spicy pepper paste. And here you see is the tomato paste. And I need to mix all well to the inside. All the flavors completely in. And here, what I will do now, chop my tomatoes to put underneath my pot. It will be like that to give all the juice still underneath from my onions. Now, I need to start put all the fillings in. Is the most important part is that don't fill too much, because they will start growing and it will be open. And then start to put in inside your pot. And this is in the pot right now. I will give a little bit flash of water and finish off with olive oil. And it looks like that now. And now I'm going to put in the wood oven. Why I'm choosing the wood oven? Because I like the smokiness coming from the wood oven. This is like now still very thick, and then you will find out when it's cooked is all the peppers that will get in your mouth, meltiness and then softness and then all juicy. Let's put this one in the wood oven now. Keep it like an hour, and then we will see when it comes out. Now let's see. Our dish is already cooked. I can show you. You see it's like getting all the flavors together. And now I can start plate one for you. That dressing, I make it chopped parsley again, chopped mint, red onion, red chili, dry chickpeas, I use crack on them. For the dressing, I put lemon juice and olive oil, and then salt. And this is my dish, stuffed red pepper, Antep kuru dolma. Enjoy!